So to reply to a discussion, all you do is come down here and you choose reply and you type your answer. Hi, my favorite food is pizza. And then you would hit post reply. And then the second part of these directions are to respond to one of your classmates. And you will find that with discussions, we will do that a lot. So you're going to want to scroll down, find when you want to answer, and then hit reply. Hi, I love pizza too. Thank you for sharing. Once you're done with that, you can simply hit post reply and then scroll back up to the top, read through the directions one more time, make sure you've answered everything, and then all you do is go down and hit next to get to the next part of the module.